Hi, welcome to C.Key Profit tutorials. Now let's learn on how to set the settings in C.Key Profit. From main form, go to settings menu and click on format profit. Here, these 5 lines are the headers in the invoice or reports. I mentioned XYZ and Co. ABC Road, First Cross, PQR Town. This will be appeared in the bill you are making. Suppose you are making a bill and you're printing it. This header will be from the setting you have stored. The bill size is the size of the invoice you're going to print. Either it can be A4 or A5, A6 or B5 or default. Currency to be printed in the invoice. It can be dollar, pound, yen, euro, rupees or dirham. Invoice attributes. As I've showed in the previous tutorials, it can be maximum, no VAT max, minimum or roll max. Roll small I meant. Then comes invoice voice or person voice, debtors mode. If you keep invoice voice, it is going to be the due amount will be stored on invoices. If it is person voice, the due amounts on the invoice will be stored on the name of the person continuously. And then comes VAT calculation. A VAT calculation can be inclusive or exclusive. Inclusive VAT calculation. Now it is inclusive. So when you make a VAT calculation, okay, let's change the product. Apple 1. So the total amount is 37,000 at a list. Now the rate will be deducted. The VAT will be calculated on the rate and the total amount will be the sum of rate and VAT, which means VAT is actually the part of the total amount. If it is exclusive, if it is exclusive, the VAT will be calculated on the amount which you have stored in the item stock, like this. The rate will be statutory. Show print preview, which means when you're requesting for a print of the invoice, should the computer, should C.Key Profit show the print preview? If print preview is not needed, press on no. Do you use barcode? If you use barcode, press on yes, so that when you're making the invoice, the cursor will directly go to item code box. TIN number, your TIN number, your firm's TIN number. Then comes first month of the year. If it is January, press on Jan. If it is April, press on April, so that the new invoice number 01, when it starts, it will start from April or January, whichever you have chosen. Terms and conditions. In the footer of the bill, terms and conditions will be printed on however you have mentioned here, and press on save to change, keep the changes saved. Settings. Then change password is to change the password. Suppose your current password is nil and new password is 123 and confirm new password is 123 and password clue is beginning. Okay, save. So when you log in again as an admin, because that was an admin account, from whichever account you change the password, the password will be changed to only that account. So password hint I'm going to give is beginning. So password was 123. I give one more. So sign in incorrect password. So you have to give 123. Yes. Sign in. Done. Now user master. The admin has the facility to create new users. Let's say new user is Shri and user type is admin. So if the user type is admin, he has all the permissions to on transactions, edit masters and viewing reports. If he is a manager, on transactions and editing reports or others. A receptionist has two user permissions. So let's go to others and show you if the user has no permissions, how it will be saved. So it is telling once the user is created, he has to log in from his account and he can change the password. Okay. So let's sign in as Shri and see how he has got the permission. Shri, sign in. So Shrimuka has no editing permission and no transaction permission, and setting only changing password is available. Reporting no sales report, no reports at all. So this is how the user master works. Hopefully you learned on making changes in settings of C.Key Profit. That's it for today. Thank you.